folks? St. Paul Steam here with something I've been looking for a while. This is that hit and miss engine that Jen or Microcosm makes. And it didn't take all that long to get here. Somewhere around 2 weeks, I'm guessing. Let's see what we got here. I've been out working today and couldn't wait to get home. Well, pretty thick padding there. Instructions, I'm guessing. Boy, that thing is bulletproof packed. Look at that. That's how you pack something there. Let's see what we got here. Look at that big thick padding on the bottom too. Okay. Let's see if we can get this out of here. Man, that is tight in there. The axle shafts are wanting to dig into the foam. But I think we're making way. There we go. Okay. Back in the box. Alright. Let's get a little closer now. Drop her down a little bit. That sure is a pretty little guy. Alright. It's got some compression. I like the little, I guess this is the fuel tank. Have to read the instructions, the fuel line. Got a few kinks in it. From packing, probably. Well, on and off switch, I'm guessing. Nice set of gears here. I really like that. Brass gears. That's it, the exhaust right there. Looks like we have a slide here. Nice bit on the box. There's the battery box for it. One battery box. And I guess that would be, this is the electronics, I'm guessing. That's a sealed kind of a box there. So all I have to do is put some batteries in it and flip her over and give her a go, I guess. Let's put this back together. It's a handsome engine. I'm really pleased with the appearance. I hope it runs near as good as it looks, because it looks wonderful. Alright. Looks like it's got some polish on, maybe this is an outer flywheel ring pressed on the inner one, maybe. No real play on the side. Seems to be really robust and really well built. You know, it's got plenty of compression. Well, can't wait to give her a go, which is what I'll do here in a second on another video. Anyway, there we have it. I'll be back with another video of it in action. Bye now.